everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, creative partner number 247096, and I'm here to show you the August Kiwi Club kit from Kiwi Lane Designs. I got it in the mail the other day, but I've been busy cleaning out my craft room, but I decided to come on today and show everyone it. I haven't taken it out of the box. I did cut it open so I could just flip it out, and I do know that there are other videos showing the unboxing of this, but you know, sometimes it's nice to have other people's opinions of what a kit contains. And I will tell you the truth. This month's kit is called the Apple of My Eye. Right off the bat, sorry for the glare, I can tell you that I do like this paper. It's very pretty. On the back of each month's kit, it shows you the templates that are included and the suggested uses. Suggested accessory templates that you can use with the kit. This month's kit suggestions are Cascade Trails, that's a fun border, the Autumn accessory set, and the school accessory set. So let's open up this kit and see what other papers we have. Also on the back it gives you a sneak peek of what papers are included in the kit. Let's do papers first. Okay. If I can get it open. Okay. Oh no. Well, I can fix that. Let's flip through the papers. This is side A, side B, like side A. I'm going to tell you all through this pile of which papers I like. This has apples on it, side A, side B, side B, side A, side B, side B. That would make me a little bit dizzy. Side A, side B, no comment. Side A, side B, another green, which you could use for leaves and plants and trees and stuff like that. Side A, side B. Ooh, gingham, I love gingham. Even ask my friends, they know that I love gingham paper. And then you get two of these red sheets, side A, side B. And then two of the blue, side A, side B. I like both of them. Good thing I have two sheets. Let's do the journaling cards. And I just need to take them out of there like that. And my little package was open. Okay, flipping through them. Side A, sweeter than a candy apple. Gingham, ooh. Bushels of fun. The apple never falls far from the tree. Today is a great day to learn something new. Our family tree. I love you, a bushel and a peck. Homemade apple pie baked fresh daily. Can I put cherry pie on it? I love cherry pie. Yes, I know it's called Apple of My Eye. I couldn't have picked a better teacher. Who's an apple's favorite relative? Granny. Oh, that's cute, huh? I like that. Apple picking crew. Maybe I should go find an apple tree and go pick it. Anybody want to go apple picking with me? But you have to help me find one place first. You're absolutely amazing. I love that yellow paper. Ready for school? Class schedule. This is really cute. And I guess I could use it for pictures of my daughter when she was little, but she's 26 now. And she does online school, so laugh, learn, love, home. page titles. Pick your own Honey Crisp Granny Smith Red Delicious Apple Orchards. I really need to find an apple farm now. Or I could go to the grocery store and pick an apple from a basket. Home is where my bunch of crazies are. My cats are my crazies, and I love the gingham. Okay, let's look at the templates included in this month's set. Of course, there is a little apple, number 1 of 5. Now Kiwi Lane puts on the bottom of the templates how many templates are in that set. So this set is called Orchard, and there are 5 templates in that set. This is the first one. It's the apple. I'm going to put it there so you can see. 2 is a label. 3, it's a bigger apple, but you can cut out little pieces in there and put seeds. That's number 3. Number 4 is a basket. Basket case crazies. Sorry. I amuse myself. Sometimes I'm the only one who's amused. And the last one is, it's sort of like a swag. I would cut flowers out and I would ink the leaves and emboss them. It could be very pretty after layering and everything. That's the Kiwi Club kit for August. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to share a link to my Facebook page, a link to my website, and let's see what I can create with this one. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching and have a great day.